Welcome to English grammar class, dear students. So before beginning, I would like to take this pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. So dear students, we are reading chapter number 4, Articles. Now please open up your books at page number 24. Today we are going to start with the topic omission of the article. Omission means where not to use the articles, where we should not use the articles. No article is used before an uncountable noun. So we cannot use an article before an uncountable noun. For example, milk is good for health. Milk is uncountable noun and we have not used any article before it. Iron is a useful metal. Iron again is an uncountable noun, so we have not used any kind of article before it. Grass is green. Grass again is uncountable noun and we have omitted here the use of article here. Before plural countable nouns when they do not refer to any particular people or things. For example, men should respect women. Now these are plural countable noun. We can count the number of men and women, but these are in plural form. So we will not use any article. Roads should be safe even for the pedestrians. Now we can count the number of pedestrians, but these are in plural form, so we will not use any article. Before proper nouns such as names of people, countries, continents, cities, lakes, hills and mountains. So we cannot use the articles before these proper nouns. For example, Mohan is my brother. We live in India. So here Mohan and India both are proper nouns and we have omitted the use of articles. Nainital has a better climate than Delhi. We have not used any article. Agra is known for the Taj Mahal. Agra is a proper noun and we have not used any article here. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So Mount Everest is the proper noun and we have not used any article before it. Now before the names of meals, if they refer to the occasion, not food. For example, I take breakfast at 8 o'clock. Now breakfast is a meal and it is showing us the time of the meal. Breakfast means the food that we eat in the morning. So it is referring to the occasion and we have not used any article here. Lunch is at 1 p.m. Now again it is referring to the occasion. It is telling us about the time of the meal. So we have not used any article here. Fifth is before the names of certain buildings such as school, court, prison, hospital, church, if they are visited or used for their primary purpose. For example, we go to school every day. Now school is the name of a building and we have not used any article before it. She will appear in court tomorrow. Again, court is the name of a building and we have not used any article. Let's read some more examples. He went to prison. I went to bed. She is in hospital. We spend 2 hours in church every Sunday. So sixth is before the names of relations. For example, mother is cooking food. Now mother, we are related to our mothers. So before the names of any relations, we cannot use the articles. Uncle is waiting. Again, uncle is a name of a relation and we have not used any article before it. before words that denote a unique post or position. For example, he is principal of my school. Now principal is denoting to a unique post and position. So we have not used any article before it. They appointed me chairman of the committee. Chairman again is denoting to a unique post or position. So again we have omitted the use of article here. It is before names of languages. For example, they speak Punjabi at home. Can you speak French? Both Punjabi and French are languages, and we have not used any article before the names of these languages. Before certain phrases made up of a preposition and a noun. For example, at home, at night, at sunrise, at daybreak, at dawn, at dark, in hand, in depth, at noon, at sunset, at sight, on demand, at interest, on earth, by water, by sea, by air, by road, by land, by train, by bus, by flight, on foot, on deck. So, we will never use any article before these phrases. Next is before certain phrases consisting of a transitive verb and its object. For example, to send word, to give word, to keep word, to catch fire, to take breath, to cast anchor, to give ear, to set sail, to lose heart, to set foot, to leave home, to go home, to take offense. So again, we will never use any article before such kind of phrases as well. So now we will move to exercise A of this chapter, which is fill in each blank with a suitable article. So we have to fill the suitable article for each blank. The first blank is dash river Thames flow across England. So in the first, river Thames is the name of an important river. So for the names of important rivers, we will use the article the. The house is on dash very crowded road. Now a crowded road is not a particular place or thing. It is not representing to a particular place or thing. So we will use the article a here, because we have already discussed these rules and now we are just going to use these rules here. Next is we went for a walk in dash park. So because someone is talking to someone and it seems like they both are familiar to the park. Both the listener and the speaker knows about the park. So we will use the article the here. Dash trial was dash parody of justice. So this means that the speaker and the listener both know about this trial. So we will use the article the before trial. And the parody of justice, this means we are going to represent or we are meaning about one. So we will use the article a here. Next is dash worst thing is to have a weight unnecessarily. Now worst is an adjective of quality. It is representing to adjective of quality, and for these kind of sentences we will use the article the. When were dash last Olympic Games held? Now last is representing an ordinal. For example, first, second, third, this is last. And for these kind of ordinals, we used the article the. Dash next step is to call dash press conference. Next, again it's representing to the ordinal. So for the ordinals, we will use the adjective the, and we are calling one press conference. So we will write here A and use the article A here. He does not take dash interest in sports. Now interest, it is making a vowel sound, and for vowels we use the article an. You are dash good player. Now we are representing the membership of a group. Players are membership of a group. So we will write the article A. Use dash ladder to get dash books and dash top shelf. For this, now ladder is not any particular thing. We are not representing any particular thing, and for these kind of sentences we use the article A. Now both the speaker and listener are familiar with the book and the top shelf. So we will use the article the before both of them. Dash guard must be posted outside the house. Now we have used the article A here, which is to mean one. One guard must be posted outside the house. You can see dash wide variety of words here. Now we are representing to the whole class of species, words or things. Okay, so for these kind of sentences we use the article A. He retired from dash job last year. Now because both the listener and speaker are familiar that he was working there, they know about the job of that particular person. So we will use the article B. She will go down in history as dash great poet. Now a great poet, which means we are representing to a membership of a group. So for these kind of sentences we use the article A. I gave dash children dash ice cream each. Children, that means both the speaker and listener are familiar about the children. So we will use the article D, and before the words which are making vowel sound we use the article an. Ice cream is making the vowel sound, so we have used an. Now you should try dash fresh approach. Now in this we are not talking about a particular thing. We are just talking about a fresh approach, not particularly which approach must be made. So for these, when we are not clear about a particular thing, we use the article A. Dash flower has dash very sweet smell. So both the speaker and listener are side by side and they know about the flower. They know about this particular flower. So we have used the article D. And sweet smell. This means here we mean one particular smell. Just like we say कि एक सुगंधित खुशबू. So उसी तरह से we have used A here. Why do you have such dash big smile on your face? एक बड़ी मुस्कुराहट हम बोलते हैं. So we have used A big smile here. Dash car smashed into dash tree. So we are talking about not any particular thing. Car is not any particular thing. So we will say a car. And into a tree. We are not talking about any particular tree. We are not naming the tree. So we will use the article a. Dash car is badly damaged. So now because the car was already mentioned in the sentence, so we will use the article the in the next sentence. They shop around for dash best deal. Now best is representing adjective of quality, and for this we will use the article the. He shot dash angry glance at me. Here we have used an to mean one. Dash government aims at giving quality education. Now both the listener and speaker, even everyone is aware of the government. They are familiar to the government, and for the things that we are familiar with we use the article the. They have lived in that same house for 10 years. Now we have the word same, and in the rules we have discussed before the words like same we use the article the. We are going to play dash important match. Now important, this word makes a vowel sound, and for vowel sounds we use the article an. There is dash letter for you. We have used the article A here to mean one. There is one letter for U. So that's all for today, dear students. All the very best.